Okay, it's April 20th, and Montana is still getting a HAARP downburst attack. The same location and basically identical attack it got yesterday. And I have the high-res satellite image from yesterday, and it's pretty shocking. So what they're doing is they're forcing dry descending air, and we're actually seeing a little bit of clockwise movement right here when it should just be counterclockwise with solid clouds and rain. So now let's look at the high-res satellite image, and I've tried to download it about 8 times, and NASA will not let you have it. Also, whenever there's a lot of herringbone from HAARP or chemtrails on a satellite, on one of these high-res NASA satellites, they put these little white rectangles on there, right there. And that's, I guess the computer does it automatically to signal that the Photoshop guys have to clean this picture up before it can be released. But this particular picture, this is Montana underneath here, and look, it's just covered with these white marks. Here's some right there. I mean, it's just really covered with these white marks everywhere. But look at all this extreme low frequency cloud coverage from the HAARP downburst. This is huge, and you know, the majority of this ELF wave pattern is facing the Gacona transmitter. And gosh, those little white pip marks. And this is after eight tries to download this picture, they only let me have this much of it. So I figured, well, I better make a video of it because I can't store a partial picture. But this is 250 meter resolution per pixel. So this is what it looked like for real. Okay, now, wow, this HAARP, this HAARP wave cloud here, I mean, that's just facing, this is perpendicular to the HAARP. The HAARP is going to be straight up this way. So that's really classic. This was a HAARP downburst, which stopped all that rain in Montana. So you ranchers up there, April 19th and April 20th, you should have gotten good rain, and that rain should have moved east and south, but instead it was completely shut off by the HAARP transmitter. And then NASA did everything they could to cover it up, except their Photoshop guy didn't come in on Saturday. You know, you think these guys get paid so much that they would be willing to come in, but I guess not. So the raw image got posted, and then instead of well, they let people have parts of it. The system's smart enough to know there's something wrong with the image. Don't let the public have this. And there's some kind of weird oval shape there. I think that's just an oxbow. Okay, so there's more proof of HAARP creating drought in the United States. And as I've said before, they do this 5 times a day in the western half of the U.S. They want to stop all food production this summer. If they had their druthers, they would rather have us all starve to death this summer than anything else. Okay, and then just to look at it today in water vapor mode, we can see that, you know, this downburst is still continuing, same spot, no rain, lots more ELF clouds, and so this is how much rain that they allowed yesterday, daily precipitation total. So with that much ELF pattern right here, they pretty much completely shut down, completely turned off the rain. So if they're willing to make the satellite picture look really ugly, then they can completely shut off the rain. Thanks.